Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Apple ID and two-factor authentication are active because security basics reduce revocations. Back up existing provisioning profiles and export your signing key, P12, so you can recover quickly. Once done, inspect certificates and revoke only those that are compromised, then create a new distribution certificate and updated provisioning profile. This immediate swap prevents downtime. Make sure to update any CI secrets with the new P12 and profile so automated signing continues without interruption. Now you update the build and distribution flow so revocations no longer break releases. Replace the old P12 and provisioning profile on your CI and developer machines, then increment the build number and re-sign the app binaries to ensure consistency. Once re-signed, re-upload to test flight or your distribution channel. To reduce future manual work, implement Fastlane Match or App Store Connect APIs to centrally manage profiles and keys, and set periodic automatic profile refresh so expired items rotate without human intervention. Finally, protect keys and prepare for quick recovery. You should store signing keys and profiles in a secure vault such as HashiCorp Vault or AWS Secrets Manager and grant access minimally. Monitor certificate and profile expirations and enable alerts 30 to 45 days before expiry so you can renew rather than react. If a revocation occurs, revoke selectively, restore from your backups, and roll forward with the new certificate. Troubleshooting tip: if resigning fails, verify keychain permissions and that the correct team ID is used in provisioning.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.